Hi guys, welcome to the stream. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മുടെ ലണ്ടനിലെ അനാലിസിസ് പ്രകാരം ഒരു ബൈ ആണ് നമ്മൾ നോക്കിയതല്ലേ. പക്ഷേ പ്രൈസ് ആക്ഷൻ യൂറോയുടെ പ്രൈസ് ആക്ഷൻ വീക്ക് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ ഈ ഒരു ബൈ എടുത്തില്ലായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷെ അത് പെർഫെക്റ്റായിട്ട് വർക്ക് ചെയ്തു. റീടെസ്റ്റ് കിട്ടിയില്ല. ഈ ഒരു റീടെസ്റ്റ് കിട്ടി, പക്ഷേ ഈ ഒരു പ്രൈസ് ആക്ഷൻ കാരണം നമ്മൾ ആ ട്രേഡ് എടുത്തില്ല. ഇറ്റ്സ് പെർഫെക്റ്റ്ലി ഫൈൻ. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ GBP ആസ് വി എക്സ്പെക്റ്റഡ് പ്രൈസ് വന്നു. പക്ഷേ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, നമുക്ക് റീടെസ്റ്റ് തന്നില്ല. പ്രൈസ് അവിടെ നിന്ന് നല്ല രീതിയിൽ അപ്പായി പോയി. ഓക്കെ, അതായിരുന്നു നമ്മുടെ GBP. പിന്നെ ഉള്ളത് യൂറോ ക്യാഡാണ്. യൂറോ ക്യാഡ് എന്താ സംഭവിച്ചതെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, ഈ ഒരു ഏരിയയാണ് നമ്മൾ നോക്കിയതല്ലേ. ഈ ഒരു ഏരിയയിൽ പ്രൈസ് ഏകദേശം ഈ ഒരു റീജിയൻ എത്തിയപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി ഇതൊരു സ്ട്രോങ് ഏരിയയിൽ നിന്ന് വന്നതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടുന്ന് സെല്ലെടുത്തില്ല. പ്രൈസ് ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് എന്ത് ചെയ്തു, മുകളിൽ കയറിപ്പോയി. നല്ല സ്ട്രോങ് ഏരിയയിൽ നിന്ന് റിജക്ഷൻ വന്നു, അവിടെ നിന്ന് ഫോളോ ആയി. ഇത് ന്യൂസ് ബേസ്ഡ് ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു, 6:30 ഓക്കെ, ന്യൂസാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ലണ്ടനിൽ ഉള്ള ട്രേഡ്സ് ഇതൊക്കെയാണ്. ഇനി നമുക്ക് എന്താക്കാം, ന്യൂയോർക്കിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി ഉണ്ടോ എന്ന് നോക്കാം. യൂറോ 4 hour ഡെയിലി നോക്കുക. ഡെയിലി എന്താ സംഭവിക്കുന്നത്. ഇന്ന് ലാസ്റ്റ് ഡേ ആണല്ലേ, നമ്മുടെ ഈ വീക്കിലെ അല്ല ഈ മന്തിലെ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഡേ ആണ്. 30th ട്രേഡിംഗ് ഡേ ആണ്. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് ബെറ്റർ ടു വാച്ച്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഡെയിലി അപ്പാണ് അല്ലേ, നല്ലൊരു ഏരിയയിലോട്ടാണ് ട്രിഗർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. 4 hour നമുക്കൊരു അപ്പ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, പക്ഷേ ഇപ്പോൾ തൽക്കാലത്തേക്ക് ഒന്നും ഇല്ല. നല്ലൊരു മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞു. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് ബെറ്റർ ടു ഓക്കെ 4 hour ഡെയിലി ഇപ്പോൾ നല്ലൊരു റീജിയനിൽ നിൽക്കുവാണ്. പക്ഷെ നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ ഒരു സെൽ ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി എടുക്കണ്ട. നല്ലൊരു ഏരിയ ആണല്ലേ. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ഡെയിലി 4 hour 1 hour ഡെയിലി 1 hour 1 hour നല്ല റീജിയനിലോട്ട് കയറുവാണ്. 4 hour ഡെയിലി പുഷിംഗ് ആണ്. 4 hour പുഷിംഗ് ആണല്ലേ. വീക്ക്ലിയും പുഷിംഗ് ആണ്, ഡെയിലിയും പുഷിംഗ് ആണ്. സോ ബി കെയർഫുൾ വിത്ത് എ സെൽ. നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ നിന്നൊരു സെൽ എടുക്കുവാണെങ്കിൽ SL അടിക്കാനുള്ള ചാൻസ് എന്തായാലും തൽക്കാലം ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്തായാലും ഇവിടെ ഒരു സെൽ ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി ഇല്ല. വി ഷുഡ് വെയിറ്റ്. ഈ ഒരു ന്യൂയോർക്ക് സെഷൻ ഏകദേശം ലഞ്ച് ടൈമൊക്കെ ആവുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. അതുവരെ വി ഷുഡ് വെയിറ്റ്. പിന്നെ GBPയുടെ കേസാണെങ്കിൽ സിമിലർ ആണ്. ക്ലോസ് വിത്തൗട്ട് സേവിങ്. GBP USD. GBP USD. GBP USD ഓക്കെ ഫൈൻ. GBP USD എന്താ സംഭവിക്കുന്നത് നോക്കാം. വീക്ക്ലി ചാർട്ട് എടുക്കുവാണെങ്കിൽ അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് തൽക്കാലം ഈ ചാർട്ട്സ് എല്ലാം എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, നമുക്ക് റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ നല്ലൊരു ഏരിയയിൽ നിന്ന് റിജക്ഷൻ എടുത്തു, മുകളിൽ കയറി പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ മന്ത്ലി ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് പുഷിങ് അപ്പ്. വീക്ക്ലിയും എന്താണ് ഇതിന് മുകളിൽ ഇവിടെ നല്ലൊരു ഏരിയ ഉണ്ട്. ഇതൊരു നല്ലൊരു സപ്ലൈ ഏരിയ ആണല്ലേ. ഈ ഒരു സപ്ലൈ ഏരിയയിൽ നിന്ന് ഒരു സപ്ലൈ ഏരിയ ആണ്. ആ സപ്ലൈ ഏരിയ ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അപ്പാണ്. വീക്ക്ലി ഡെയിലി എന്താണ്, പുഷിംഗ് ആണ്. സോ പുഷ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നല്ലൊരു ഏരിയയിലാണ് നിൽക്കുന്നത് ഇപ്പോൾ. സോ അതൊന്നും നമുക്ക് ഇഗ്നോർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. 4 ഹവറിൽ പുഷിംഗ് ആണ്. സോ നമുക്ക് വെയിറ്റ് ആക്കാനേ പറ്റുന്നുള്ളൂ. നമുക്ക് എന്തായാലും ഇപ്പോഴും ട്രേഡ് തൽക്കാലം നമുക്കിപ്പോഴും ട്രേഡ് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. എന്തായാലും പ്രൈസ് ഒന്ന് ഈ ഒരു ഏരിയയിലോട്ട് എത്തുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ നിന്നൊരു സെല്ല് എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് ഈ ഒരു ഏരിയയിൽ നമുക്ക് റീട്രേസ്മെൻറ്റ് ട്രേഡാണ് നമുക്കിനി നോക്കേണ്ടത്. കണ്ടിന്യൂഷൻ ട്രേഡ് എന്തായാലും നമുക്ക് കിട്ടാൻ സാധ്യത കുറവാണ്. കാരണം കണ്ടോ, ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് റിജക്ഷൻ പ്രൈസിങ് ഇങ്ങനെ അങ്ങ് പോവാം. ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് ഒരു റീട്രേസ്മെൻറ്റ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലേ നമുക്ക് ബൈ എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റൂ. പക്ഷേ ഇപ്പോൾ തൽക്കാലത്തേക്ക് റീട്രേസ്മെൻറ്റ് ട്രേഡ് ഇല്ല. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് USD CAD. USD CADിൽ എന്താ സംഭവിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് നോക്കാം. മന്ത്ലി ആദ്യം എടുക്കാം, കാരണം ഇത് ലാസ്റ്റ് ഡേ ആയതുകൊണ്ട്. ലാസ്റ്റ് ട്രേഡിംഗ് ഡേ ഓഫ് നമ്മൾ പെർഫെക്റ്റ്. നമ്മൾ ഈ ലൈൻ ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ? ലണ്ടനിൽ ഈ ഒരു ലൈൻ വരച്ചിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞല്ലേ നമുക്കിവിടെ നല്ലൊരു ഏരിയ ഉണ്ട്, അവിടെ റിയാക്ഷൻ വരാൻ സാധ്യതയുണ്ട്. ന്യൂസിൽ വേണ്ടി പ്രൈസ് എനിക്ക് ഓർമ്മയില്ല, ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷേ ഓക്കെ, ഈ ഒരു ഏരിയയിൽ പ്രൈസ് എത്തും നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു. അവിടെ നിന്ന് കറക്റ്റ് ഒരു റിയാക്ഷൻ കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ യെസ്, മന്ത്ലി ഉണ്ട്, വീക്ക്ലി അപ്പാണ്, പുഷിംഗ് ആണ്. ഡെയിലി ഓക്കെ, 1 സെക്കൻഡ്. ഓക്കെ, നല്ലൊരു ഏരിയയിൽ കിട്ടിയല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് നല്ലൊരു ബൈ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എടുക്കാം. ഡെയിലി നോക്കുവാണെങ്കിൽ എന്താ, ഡെയിലി ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഫോൾ ആവുന്നു. നല്ലൊരു ഏരിയ ബൈ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഫോൾ ആവുന്നു. നമുക്ക് നല്ല റിജക്ഷൻ ഏരിയാസ് ഉണ്ടോ എന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. നല്ല റിജക്ഷൻ ഏരിയ. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഏരിയ ഉണ്ടല്ലേ. ഇവിടെ എന്താ സംഭവിച്ചതെന്ന് വെച്ച് നോക്കാം. പ്രൈസ് വന്നു, പോയി പുഷ് ചെയ്ത് വന്നു, തിരിച്ച് ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രമിച്ചു, അവിടെ നിന്നു സപ്പോർട്ട് എടുത്തു, അവിടെ നിന്ന് ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്തു. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു ഏരിയയിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, പ്രൈസ് റിയാക്ട് ചെയ്യാമല്ലേ. നമുക്ക് ജസ്റ്റ് ഇത് നോക്കിയാൽ മതി. ഇതിപ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു ചാർട്ടിൽ കാണുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചിലപ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലാകത്തില്ല. ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് ലോവർ ടൈം ഫ്രെയിമിലോട്ട് പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ചാർട്ട് പോയാൽ ഈ ഒരു സംഭവം നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റും. പ്രൈസ് വന്നു, റിജക്റ്റ് ചെയ്തു, അപ്പോൾ പോയി അവിടെ നിന്ന് ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്തു, തിരിച്ചു വന്ന് സപ്പോർട്ട് എടുത്തു, അവിടെ നിന്ന് ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്തു, താഴെ വന്നു, തിരിച്ചിവിടെ വന്നു. അതാണ് ഈ ഒരു സംഭവം. തിരിച്ചിവിടെയാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ പ്രൈസ് ഇരിക്കുന്നത്. അതാണ് അവിടുത്തെ റിജക്ഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം നമ്മൾ ഹയർ ടൈം ഫ്രെയിമിൽ നിന്ന് ലോവർ ടൈം ഫ്രെയിമിലോട്ട് നമുക്ക് ആ ഒരു ഐഡിയ നമ്മൾ ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്തെടുക്കണം. അങ്ങനെ ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്തെടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് ഇൻ്റർപ്രറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഫൈൻ, ഓക്കെ, ശരി. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇനി നോക്കേണ്ടത് നല്ലൊരു ബൈ ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി ഉണ്ടോ എന്ന് നോക്കണം. ഈ ഒരു സമയത്ത് എന്തായാലും ഇപ്പം നല്ലൊരു ഏരിയയിലാണ് നിൽക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഫൈൻ. നമുക്ക് എന്തായാലും നോക്കാം, നല്ലൊരു ബൈ ഏരിയ കിട്ടും. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞല്ലോ, ഈ ഒരു ഏരിയ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട്, അതായത് ഏകദേശം ഒരു 8:30 ഒക്കെ ആവുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമുക്ക് ചിലപ്പോൾ ഒരു റീട്രേസ്മെൻറ്റ് കിട്ടാൻ സാധ്യതയുണ്ട്. ഇത് ഓക്കെ, ഇത് സെല്ലാ കാണിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ എന്തായാലും നമുക്കൊരു ബൈ ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി നമുക്ക് കിട്ടാൻ സാധ്യതയുണ്ട്. തൽക്കാലം നമുക്ക് എന്തല്ല, ഒരു ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റീസ് ഇവിടെ ഇല്ല. ഓക്കെ, എന്ന് വേണമെങ്കിൽ പറയാം. ഇതുപോലെയാണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ അവസ്ഥയുമാണ്. നമ്മൾ തൽക്കാലം ഞാൻ റിയാക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് വെയിറ്റ്. പ്രൈസസ് നല്ല രീതിയിൽ പുഷ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. Hi Shane bro, welcome to the stream. What's up bro? Yeah, okay. Actually I was late too. So bro, as we anticipate, something happened. Like actually in London session, oh it's fine bro, it's right. It's totally fine. Actually there's nothing happening right now because after the news movement, after the news came out, it crashed like anything. And it reached to the level where we discussed in the London session. The weekly area. Sorry, the daily area. Yeah. The daily area, which we marked. So, so I'm waiting for a buy, but not at the moment. I'm planning to buy after this storm came to an end. Now everyone is trying to buy, right? After this fall, everyone is trying to buy. I'm waiting. Yeah, SP 500 is like the index of US market, and Nifty 50 is like the US of, but SP 500 is much more volatile than Nifty 50. SP 500. That's US 30. Uh, that's Dow Jones, and this SP 500. It's basically like the price of average price of 500 stocks, the top listed stocks. SP 500. Really, what happened? Something happened. US 500, then SP, US 500, then US 100, US 50. It's just like our index, Indian index. Huge movements happens on during the market open intervals. Look, everything is freaking high. It's basically the month end, right? So market is kind of showing higher time frame players. The strength of higher time frame players is visible. Like monthly is getting rejected from this area, this beautiful area. So monthly is rejected, so we can go for a retracement, but so far it's not perfect time, so we're waiting. It's just like ping pong, right? Price came, touch our area, and it's go up. So I'm not interested for a buy like this. I just want some sort of one in my touch my area, then go up, show some consolidation, take my liquidity and BMS. So first touch we can go for a sell. Or sometimes what happened is they go and they came down, take another SL, and we can go for another sell. Too much drama, yeah, too much drama. It's basically due to month end, weekend. So, and it's a holiday, right? Yesterday was a holiday. So basically the market is like freaking crazy. So as a trader, what we can do is just wait. Nothing else can be done by us, because what's special with this monthly chart is that investors, okay, big players who are actually swing traders, they might so okay, for example, if I'm an investor, okay, and I invest like crazy money on like the beginning of this month, I might enter here, right? This is my supply zone, and I might enter here. So this is like withdrawing the money. It's basically withdrawing money. Since it is a monthly time frame, a huge players are there, so that's why the price is reacting from here. So intraday players, if the intraday players are uh, fighting against a higher players like billionaires and big banks, we will get crashed. So understand that and react accordingly. This time they are higher time frame players are very much aggressive. They are dumping money. They are they are cashing out their profits. So what we can do is just keep quiet and step apart. Once they withdraw their money, then when they leave the market, then we can go for like retracements, like continuation trades, etc. So yeah, like the investors or the big players, they are the calmest people in the room, but when they step into the market, they are the most aggressive one. So we have so much time, right? We have the 2 sessions per day. We have each and every session we can trade, but for according to them, they might take their portfolio, or they view their portfolio on every weekend or month end or quarter end. The basic thing is the quarter end is ending today, so second quadrant, so second quarter is ending today, so tomorrow onwards quarter 3 is starting. So majority of the investors, they will look after their portfolios and taking decisions basically. Today is Friday, next 2 days were holidays, market is not there, closed. So yeah, so we don't react. That's it. Mhm. So Shane bro, are you working or studying? Okay, my strategy win ratio, it's basically like 50, 60, 70 percentage. Uh, I have to say that like if my strategy is good or like is okay, but if my mindset, if it's not aligned with my strategy, then the day will be flop, right? That's the main key problem with my strategy. My strategy is very simple. Okay, it's just a higher time frame area. Okay, I'm looking for some higher time frame area. Then suppose if this is a London Open or like New York Open or any session, basically the London or New York session, if the price came to this region and make a breakout, then I will go for an entry. But this is my strategy, this is my entry criteria. But moreover that, with my experience and like reading the charts, patterns, everything, I build a storyline, and if I'm okay with the storyline, I will go for an entry. That's basically my strategy. Okay, so sometimes what happened is, I uh, I ignore the storyline. So when I ignore the storyline, I will get hurt so badly, because if I'm simply open the chart and view an area, okay, view an area, and if the price hit and break an BMS, and if I enter without any proper uh, what without any storyline backup, and I entry only based on this strategy or entry criteria without checking any confluences or anything like that, majority of the times I get screwed up. But when I am uh, watching the market, have a plan, then watching the storyline, everything, most of the times, yeah, I got my best of my entry. I mint most of the times, and sometimes I shall get hit. I can't deny the fact that my sale is triggered. So yeah, basically it's like 50, 60, 70 percentage. If I'm fully focused on the trading, then it's pretty high. Okay, you I think you get what I mean, because you're a trader too. So some days it's good, some days it's bad. Simple, it works, bro. I have seen some YouTubers do it, but the reading the market, that experience helping your trades, bro. How long, bro, you have? Yeah, it's yeah. That's why I told you in the London session, right? Even if I show everything, my strategy, what all things I do, what all indicators I chose, everything I show, you can't or any other trader can replicate me, because the amount of experience or the backtesting time I gained by myself is different from you, right? So yeah, I started this trading back 2018, 2019, but I admit the fact that I just start trading with like so-called guru mentors, and they only teach me about the trend lines, the breakout trades, nothing else with this candlestick or anything like that. and gradually I understood the fact that these trend lines, they will work everywhere, or every scenario they will work. Like this is horizontal, right? This horizontal, vertical, and everything like that. And at one moment I realized the fact that I get screwed up. Then I went on to other mentor. They told me about like supply demand zones. Then another mentor told me like SMC, breakout, blah blah blah, higher time frame scenario. And after each year, through my experience, or the time which I spent on this chart, I gained more experience, and and with that I build my own strategy. And yeah, that's my trading. I think every traders have a story, success story, that begins with like fake mentors, right? That's exactly, because trading is like an art. Okay, there is a limit that a second person can inject you that uh, talent. We should develop it. See, every strategy will work. Okay, a simple, if we are looking for a like 4 hour, it's a simple strategy. Like if I'm if suppose I just trade based on, okay, so hypothetical case, if I am trading only if the daily high get broken, I get a trade. Okay, I will participate in a trade, and if I get like 10 to 15 pip, I will exit. That's my strategy, hypothetical case. Okay, if you are backtesting that, out of 10 times, might work for like 4 to 5 times. Even if the 5 times 50% accuracy, we will win, right? I think I talk about this accuracy in yesterday's London session. I will tell you. Okay, I will tell once more. Like suppose if my strategy is if my strategy gives 1:2 risk reward, okay, simply 1:2 risk reward, and my accuracy is like 50%. So 50%, that means if I take 10 trades, 10 consecutive trades in a week, out of 10, 5 of them will get triggered SL. Okay, 5 will get TP. So basically what happened is, out of this 5, I lose 5%. From this TP, I gain 10%, right? So the algebraic sum is 5%. So suppose I'm giving like 1% for the brokerage and everything, all right? So the rest is 4%, right? 4% a week gives you 16% profit, or rate of interest, or return on interest, sorry, not rate of interest, return of interest per month, right? So that is basically what we need from trading. We don't need like 1:10, 1:20, nothing like that. But you should not take partials, right? That's up to each trader. For me, I took partials because the main reason for the taking partial is the first thing we should understand is we should preserve our capital. Okay, suppose for a trade I deployed 100 rupees. Okay, 100 rupees, and from that trade my TP will be right 1:2. Okay, that is 200 rupees. So for me, or for me, I will, first thing I do is, whenever my price reaches this 100 rupees, okay, I will exit partials. Okay, I will exit some of my positions, because preserving the capital is the key in trading. Next, if you get something, if you if this get you take the partials, and if the trade works really well, and if you get 300 rupees out of this 100 rupees, okay, and next trade you deploy this 300 rupees, right? That means from the profit which you get in this trade, that money you deployed in next trade. Okay, that is the method we should follow. We never risk our capital way too much. So partialing is very important. But some traders, they do is like they enter one is to do, but some traders they don't have any they don't take exit or TP on the swing low, swing highs, nothing like that. If they enter and if the price reaches like 1:2 or 1:2.5, they exit, they quickly exit, right? For them is that they for them they have, they all they need is like 2.5 percentage ROI. That is perfectly fine. So each trader is different, right? In the beginning stages, I'm against this partialing and all, but after taking so much trades, I realized the fact that sometimes we have that intuition that okay, I should close my trade. My trade went to 500 rupees, and now so what if they came to zero? What if they hit my SL and all? And I exit quickly. That trade went to like 1,000 rupees. So always participate in that trade. If you enter a trade, okay, if you suppose you're entering this buy, okay, you should you should run as much as you can. Even if this like 80 percentage of your entry is exited in this area, try with 10 percentage with your capital. Okay, so that's all up to each traders. That's all. That's we can't say like you should partial it, you can't partial it. That is that's subjective. It's totally subjective. So the thing is, right, even if we have 1:2 risk reward, we can survive in this market, right? We don't need like each trade 1:5, 1:20, 1:30. No, nothing like that. Even if we have 1:2 risk reward and our accuracy is like 50%, nearly 50%, we can easily survive in this market and we can make a earning out of it. Last week I paid one signal provider 9.5k, literally wasted. That guy is just showing up. 2 days I felt very bad, bro. Could have bought 2.5 mm. Yeah, never, ever take any signal provider, because how long can you rely on them? Okay, so even if you invest 9.5k and take an account and you trade, make losses if the account get rejected or if the account get what's blown up, it's perfectly fine. But never ever take signal groups. We can't become a better trader with signal groups, because they what they have done is they just provide some data from somewhere. So basically I will tell you what a signal group works. Okay, suppose a signal group, this is a signal group and they have 10 people, 10 people in this group. Okay, they will provide 5 people buy signal and 5 people sell signal. Okay, eventually one of them will work, right? And what if these 5 people will they will eventually left the group, right? These 5 people will sustain, and these 5 people, they will gather some other people, and they basically they like MLM, right? That's multi-level marketing. They take more people to the group and they will get commission from the signal provider, and the same thing happens over and over again. So signal groups, they are all scammers, so don't spend money for the signal groups. If you're making mistakes, that's perfectly fine. If you lose money due to your mistake or as a trader's mistake, it's perfectly fine, but not uh, put your money on others' decisions. It's a blunder. It's perfectly not fine. This is like, this is rejecting very well. Job is a problem, bro. I don't have time. A lot of people studying IT courses. I'm gonna take few months off and completely investment. Yeah, bro, that's perfectly fine. I just left my job and started streaming. So that's all fine. Yeah, if you're in a full-time job, we don't get any time, right? That's a scenario. So that's why in London session I told you, right? This is a temporary channel. This might be a temporary channel because I gave myself 6 months time. Okay, 6 months time to achieve something in trading, because I spent a lot of years hard work and everything in this. So I gave myself like 6 months. So within the December, if I can't make anything out of it, I will quit. And yeah, until then I will be here showing everything on live, my MFF account, funded account, my trades, my strategy, everything. Whatever I learned since 2018, I will show it for free. I don't provide any course or anything like that. So yeah, USD CAD is coming down. It's yeah, so rejections happen. So just wait, like, because the news has just came. ന്യൂസ് വന്നതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് എന്തായാലും വെയിറ്റ് ആക്കിയാലേ പറ്റത്തുള്ളൂ. Aha, you will, bro. You don't know your worth. Work on the work on the thumbnail and all. Yeah, okay, yeah. Yes. Yeah, I will look forward. I will surely look forward my thumbnail and all. So yeah. Yeah, I think that I should work, but the thing is, I'm not looking for any a crowded subscribers or like that. If more people came to this live, I am happy, and I'm ready to share my strategies and everything. But yeah, I should advertise myself. So basically, I don't want to be a better YouTuber. I want to be a better trader. That's the key thing. Yeah, yeah. So USD CAD price action is price action അത്ര രസമില്ല. It's like this formation is like B formation. Okay, price hit and they just bang. There's nothing fancy over here. GBPയും നല്ല റിയാക്ഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. Okay, so yeah, GBP is reacting in the supply area. Euro ST is also getting rejection. So I think by the end of this session, like New York session, we will get some sort of selling or buying. And keep that in mind that it's big players is coming into action because it's month end, and they are basically they uh, they are basically loading off their account or taking the profit partially and everything like that. So as an intraday trader, we should wait. Okay, else our SL will get screwed up. So bro, if you have any doubt, you can ask, right? Because we need to wait. The patience is the key. It's yeah, I think one more person is watching this live. If you have any doubt, you can comment. Okay, I will. ബ്രോ സെക്കൻഡ് വ്യൂവർ കാണുന്നത് മലയാളിയാണെങ്കിൽ മലയാളത്തിൽ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്താലും മതി. ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ പുള്ളി മലയാളം അറിയാത്തതുകൊണ്ടാണ് മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയാതെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പറയുന്നത്. എന്തെങ്കിലും സംശയം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മലയാളത്തിൽ ചോദിച്ചാലും മതി. Pain bro, are you still in that signal group or you just left? What kind of setup you looking to form? Yeah, basically I in GBP and Euro USD I'm looking for a sell. Okay, because the price get triggered in a supply in a demand area, and they went flew up, right? So some sort of retracement should be there or might be there from this Euro USD side, and this is a multi level, right? This is a daily also there is a supply, 4 hour also there is a supply, then 1 hour, I think, yeah, 1 hour also there is a push over, this is a supply, and within this region I want to play some sort of lower level price action. Lower level price action in the sense like in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, I don't think I can get, because price already mitigate more than 50%, right? So in 50 minutes we might get something like just tapping and like this. So basically I am looking for a sell from here and to fill some sort of, look at this, this FEG, there is some sort of liquidity here, so I'm looking for some sell. And in vice versa, this Euro USD I am looking for a buy, GBP I'm looking for a sell. Yeah, look at this, price came, fall, consolidated, take the liquidity, and boom. But we won't get anything like that all the time, because this is basically, this move is based on news, and this is consolidation. This sell hunt is based on news, and this is based on news. So this week basically have a ton of news, ton of good news. Okay, ton of good news, and yeah, that's why it's moving like that. So are you clear, bro? 15 like 5 minutes if I'm getting, because if it, oh yeah, this is freaking in the overbought area, right, in the 80s, and so we can look for a good buy anytime sooner. Okay, that's what I'm saying, anytime sooner. If I'm looking like, this is an overbought area, this is an overbought area, and if I'm so happy if I get one more rejection over here, and that's back. Let's see. I think this will be an easy sell as well. Okay. Bro, I'm biting my teeth and oh, I'm biting my teeth and still in that group. Yeah, because you invest like 9.5 thousand, 9,500, right? Oh, my bad. Mistakes are uh, always a part of the game. Never rely on any other signals or like any other guys. 15 minutes, yeah. 5 minutes, let's bang it. Actually, the market is panic, okay? After this huge movement, every guys is seeking for a sell from here because this is very visible for everyone, right? This area is so freaking visible to everyone that this is a good area. This is very basic, okay? This is a supply turns resistance, price get bang, liquidity last area, price get hit this area, bang, and so this is a perfect liquidity area. This damn good. But the thing is that after this huge movement, okay, uh, so one more thing we should keep in mind that if we need to sell from here, to whom should we sell? The buyers, right? So if a guy who buy from here, majority of the guys will sell here, right? No one will hold more than this area because this is a superb supply area and they will get a huge money out of it. So every guys, majority of them will get uh, cashing their orders. That's why this sellers came. This is not actually sellers. These are the orders which is these are the drop which is formed due to the uh, profit booking or like partialing. It's all because of the these actions. This price get fall down, right? So there is no sellers is there. That's why I told that if a price hit our area and just bang, don't go for a sell. We seller should be there. Okay, we should visibly see the sellers. I'm not saying that every time where there is happening something like this and fall. No, not every time, but this is what we are looking for, and this is only time we will go for a sell. Yeah, exhaustion candle. Yes, yes. We can name it in any name. That's yeah, exhaustion candle. Fine. Yes. These are basically not sellers. These are basically the candles that form due to the partial booking or exiting of this buy orders. So the technicals are on buy side, strong by moving average are on strong side, oscillators are neutral, exponential by only simple average 10. Okay, 10 is not that strong. It's sell by next rest is buy. So we look for a sell. Uh, so how long have you been in this trading industry, Shane, bro? I'm not consistent in learning and practicing, bro. It's been 5 months. Yeah, it's just a budding stage. It's not that a big deal, bro. It takes time. It takes time. This is time eating procedure. It takes so much time. For the knowledge purpose, you need at least like 6 to 1 year of learning is necessary for learning alone, then practicing, backtesting, realizing the fact that trading is not our cup of tea, and overcoming that we need so much struggling. So much struggle is there. We can't easily get this thing. It's not everyone's cup of tea. That's the basic. I don't know if even if it's my cup of tea, but I like to do this. Not because of the profit I made. It's just because the process. Okay, it's like a game, right? Uh, it's just like a game, but sometimes it's horrible game. Like there's a game like killing people, like a dolphin, blue whale, something like that. Killer whale, blue whale, something like that. It's just the same case. Even if you're good at, if you even if you're legend in trading, at some moment of the time you will lose money. And if you can understand that, and if you work on that, on if you preserve that, then we will be uh what do you call, we will survive, else we will get triggered. So it's almost 1 hour 20 minutes into the live, and I'm not expecting some sort of sell or buy in this time frame, because I'm not happy with this pushback or this type of retracement. I need some more price, and I will go for a sell, else I'm not interested in this. Even if you are not participating in this, we are profitable, right? There's nothing a rule like participating in every session and make a decision in every session. Like not participating is also a big talent. Oh, it's a big task. So by 9 we can wind up this live, because I don't find anything lucrative, because it's month end, the market is getting choppiness, and Well said. Yes. I don't think I can reach out to more people if I'm only putting this live stream, right? I should be focusing on creating more videos. Uh, I have a lot of connection to Kerala, bro. My close friend, she's from Kerala. I watched a lot of Malayalam movies. Still can't speak. Yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. If you have any trader friends in your community, share this video. Okay, I don't. I'm not insisting you to share my videos, but if they are willing to learn something, I'm here to help. If I know, okay. If only if I if only I can, if I can, I will help them. Because right now I'm not publishing this link or anything in any other groups or anything like that, because trading is something like, yeah, you have to make content videos, bro, like predicting and also, yeah, okay, yeah, okay, yeah, yeah, we'll look forward for it. Yeah, most of the guys, I saw many guys, they're putting like, okay, price will go from here to here. But the basic thing is, you have to look at this here, right? This button, okay, replay button. Most of them, they will hide this taskbar with this, and they simply put this replay mode and back, like put this replay. I can't because this is not a prime account. Okay, so they simply put this here, and they said, yeah, I price touch, it will fall here. Okay, and for beginners, they don't know that there is something like a replay button or replay mode here, and they will blindly believe them. So predicting, I don't believe in that, because market is unpredictable to an extent. Yeah, that we can predict, I'm not denying the fact. I have a lot of yeah, I have to make on yeah, I at Tamil there are some YouTubers, but you are the first Mallu guy, so oh, fine, fine, fine. I don't think any other Mallus out there doing the same thing I do. I know, I never noticed it. Ah, yeah, you should, because only the traders know that there is something like a replay mode in this trading view. But many of them, they do is like, they won't show this thing. Okay, they will only show from here, only from here. So like, okay, I can't even take it. Okay, only this face, only this is they will show. And this replay button they will hide whatever. Yeah. Next time if you see some prediction, just check that. Then yeah, okay, I don't think there is any Mallu YouTubers out there doing the same thing. I don't know. Then yeah, Tamil YouTubers, I'm not sure about that. If you know, yeah, that might be. Mm. So basically, I start the streaming just to increase my focus. Okay, so what happened is that in early times, if I'm looking for this chart, I plot everything, and next thing I do is okay, open up the YouTube or like social media and watch the content over there, and the fact that I forgot this. Okay, and after some time I came here and then I saw okay, this already worked. So in order to cancel or in order to avoid that, I think streaming is a good thing because uh, I can share my thought here and I will focus on the chart only. That's why I start the YouTube channel. Yeah, there are some. You just yeah, might be there might be some. I don't know. Because I maybe I don't watch any YouTubers trading or like yeah, trading videos from YouTube. That's the correct phrase. I don't watch any YouTube trading videos. That's why I didn't get any recommendation. So it's 128 in 1 hour 28 minutes into this. Just we can sign out when it's 1:30. Okay, because it's Friday, it's choppiness. So it's 1:30. So bro, good night. Okay, good night. So next, if I'm able to catch this cell, I might take, but most I don't think I will do that because even if I get this cell, I don't sure that it will fall like this because the market is about to close, right? So it will be choppy. So I will revert back on Monday London session. So till then, but I don't know when I can catch your next stream, bro. If I can, I will join. Happy weekend. Bye. Oh yeah, sure, bro, sure. Bro. Everything is there only here in this. I will upload every videos, the live, yesterday's live. Everything is will be available on YouTube only. I won't delete anything. I have to do some work. Yeah, bro. Okay. Revert back when all your works are done. I will be here. Hopefully, I will be here. And yeah, bro, good night. So stay safe, invest responsibly.